Hello, this is Akshara Priyadarshi from Karunya University, register number UR15CS307. I'm doing this video to explain you about my fifth experiment in my data structures lab. It was about this one, implementation of stack operations such as push, pop and display using linked list. And another one was implementation of queue operations such as insert, delete and display, same using linked list. So here I started the program something like this. Hash include IO stream. This is the header file without which the C program won't work. This contains all the library functions of C++. Now then using std, which is the standard library for cout, cin, etc. And then I'm constructing a structure called node, and this is node which will have the address of the uh, next data. Then in that data, then a pointer variable link, and then a pointer head. So insert at the first, for in the function insert at the first, we'll first create a pointer template equals to new node. Okay, so enter the data. This data will be stored in the data of the temp, as the temp contains two parts, data and node. Every node contains two parts, data. One is data and other is link will be empty, which will contain the address of the next part, next data. So here the temp pointing to link equals to null. That means the data is stored in the temp in the data part, and the link part of the temp is null, which doesn't have anything. That is insertion at the first. Okay, that is why. So if head equals null, that means there is no head or head is empty, then we'll make the temp as head. Otherwise we'll first the connect the link of the temp with the data of the head, and then we'll make the temp as the head. So this is insertion at the first, and then we'll create a monkey pointer variable which will point at the head. Now insertion at the end does what it does is, first we'll create a temp, and then we'll put a data in its data part, then its link will make it as null. As you know, in the end the link should be null, right, because it's not connected to anything else. So head equals to temp, that if head equals null, then head equals to temp. That means we are making the temp as the head. Otherwise the pointer monkey will be at the head, and then it will jump till this link it will jump till link not equals to null. Okay, so it will keep on moving until it finds the link is null. That means it's not connected to anything else. Then if it finds it will jump and make a monkey, like wherever it is, it will make that node's link as monkey. And then after that, if it finds the null, it will then stop, and then monkey link equals to temp. That means link of the monkey is equals to temp. Okay, so that was the insertion at the end. That means it's moving till it finds the end, and in the end, as you know, the link will be equal to 0, and if it finds the 0, then it will insert the temp. That's what happens there. Now void deletion, we are deleting an element. Okay, so now we'll first make the temp variable, which is a pointer, then again a monkey which is at the head in the initial stage. Then the top value will be deleted. Okay, so I mean, if you want to delete the top value, then head equals to null. If head equals to null, stack is empty. like if you deleted the top value, and then the stack will become empty. Otherwise, temp equals to head equals to node, and then delete temp. So make the temp as head, and then sorry, make the, yeah, if temp is head, make the temp as head and delete the head, or delete the temp, same thing. Now void display node pointer monkey equals to head. Okay, cut the top, cut the I mean, see out the members are, we are displaying all the members, right? So we are applying in the while loop, and this monkey will jump until it finds the end, and when it finds the like until it finds the end, we are displaying all the elements through this, the data in the monkey part. Okay, and when it finds the end, it stops. This is the display part. Now we come to main function. So in the main function, uh, we are creating few variables like this for option, and this is character for other reasons. I'll show you why. So welcome to the linked list. I mean, this just whatever you want to write over here. Then under a do while loop, I'm giving choices like press 1 for working with stack, and press 2 for working with queue. So according to my question, I had to do two different experiments. That is, first one is stack operation and second one is queue operation. So I have put both the, you know, exercise in one single program. So that is why I'm giving two options. If you want to work with stack, then press 1, otherwise 2, or else 3. So that will be stored in this option. So this option we created for this reason, and now we'll apply these three parts in a one switch loop. And in this case one, if we are working with stack, then again we'll give few options like insert, delete, display. For according to the question, we had to show these parts, right? So that is why we'll just show why, uh, what we have to do, what operations we need to do. So now the options you press will be stored in this option, which was initialized here. And then in again we'll apply a switch case where we'll call these functions insert at the first, delete, and display, which were which were prepared here. Then this is how they will call. And then in the case 2, similarly we'll do this for the queue operation, where again we'll insert, delete, display, and for the same thing we'll again apply the switch case, and then we'll call those functions. So this is how the program is written, and this is for whether you want to continue or not. So let's see the output. Yeah, so welcome to linked list. Now let's first work with the stack. So we are working with the stack. Insert, add, insert. So there is nothing in the stack. Okay, so we'll insert at the beginning. Okay, enter the data. Now uh, again we'll insert. Again we'll insert. So we have inserted 3 data. Now let's display the data. So our data is 14, 12, 12. Okay, now let's delete the data. So we'll press 2 to delete. The top value will be deleted. Okay, now let's display. See, the top value was 14, so which was inserted at the end, so that's why it was top. So it's deleted. Now we'll delete one more. So now only one element should be there, that's 12. So now we'll exit this part, uh, and yes, we will work with Q this time. So press 2 for Q. Yes, you can see here, right? I'm doing the program. So I press 2 for working with the Q and insert. Enter the data. Insert. Enter the data. Insert. So let's display 12 12. So I entered 4 data, right? Now I will delete. Yes, so we deleted. Let's display 12 13 14. So top value again deleted. So in the Q2, I mean, it's same like this one, stack, but where the stack is deleted from the it's not, it's like uh LIFO, last in first out. Q is LIFO, but sorry, stack is LIFO, whereas uh, whereas this one Q is FIFO, first in first out. So this is how it is working. Again delete. See, so I'm basically emptying the queue. So this is how my program is working successfully. Thank you.